idea is focused on a street light or emergency compartment in which it will help. For example, when you're walking in the middle of the night by yourself and suddenly all the city lights are gone and there are no resource for electrical power, so you are all by yourself, you have a panic to all the darkness surrounding you, and what now? What can you do? So for this situation, there is an emergency compartment in a street lighters, in which this first ID kit has some flashlights for this particular case. It has a heat blanket in case you get cold or wet. Or let's think about if someone is having a trouble or has a heart disease and he enters in a cardiovascular suspension. So what do you do now? So for this situation, there is a cardiac arrest smart device in which we'll have this person. So yeah, I think it's a great idea. I hope you like it.